Hey all, Anita here from United Kingdom. I'm back again with a beautiful mandala artwork, and this is a personalized artwork for one of my friend who has achieved 10,000 subscribers within a short span of time. This channel is for Tamil people and you must stay tuned to exciting recipes and different cuisines. She has also uploaded some awareness and inspirational topic. Please visit her channel. The link is in the description box. And the channel name is Angels Nilachur. So let's move on to the making of this artwork. To start with, you need acrylic pen, ruler, razor, pencil and compass. As you can see that I have already written the message in the center of the art. I'm going to make a circular art and using symmetry line I'm going to do my pattern. So I have already done using the compass. For more details you can visit my previous live sessions where I have elaborated as to how you can make these lines and what are the calculations. So that may really help you out. So let's begin. My art book is around 16 to 14 inches big and I wanted to have a base color before I go for a pattern. This is to make it more beautiful, and as it is a personalized art, I wanted it to be very colorful. I have used acrylic colors and the colors are yellow, red and white. After blending it, I kept it for overnight. I would suggest you should keep at least for an hour before you start an acrylic pen on top of that. I'm starting with basic patterns. If you see, basic patterns are like petals, dots, triangles, long petals and pointed petals, sometimes lines with dots and spirals. And when it comes to filling pattern, it can be anything like you would have seen in your kolam, in your rangolis and in your hennas. So just follow them, that's more than enough and you will really make a beautiful art. Start learning it by following some artists. I would always suggest that you make your own patterns, especially the filling patterns, because they have variety. So you can give a try on your own to go for a filling patterns and you can create your own signature design. So that's the best way to start with. Such personalized art can be really close to a heart gift for someone. So that is the reason I made this. I wanted to wish her, but it won't be nice if I just tell her by word of mouth. So I wished her in my style. Hope she will love it. If you are new to this art, please just use a A4 sheet and a pen, ball pen or pointed pen. Anything can do. You can just start learning this. I'm sure you will definitely enjoy this. And this is also used as a relaxing therapy. So those who are stressed and really loaded with work can take a time to do little bit of mandala art in a day. That will really help them and their mental well-being. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe with bell icon and do visit my playlist on mandala artwork. I have done a lot of live sessions wherein I have taught you from the basic design to intricate design and how you can make a mandala patterns. A lot of personalized art which has been taught to you as a tutorial. So please have a look at that. I'm sure it's gonna be helpful for you. It's a package of whole mandala sessions. This is the most simple and easy artwork that anybody can try. So please give a try, and if you are really inspired and influenced by this art, I would like you to drop in it in the comment. So you enjoy watching this art, and if you have any other doubt or any other questions with regard to the artwork which I have done it now, please drop in the comment. I will love to reply to you. Also please visit the other artwork wherein I have done glass work, pebble artwork, oil paintings and acrylic paintings, and especially the art tutorials for kids. I'm sure this channel is gonna be a full package for you for art sessions. Please do share with your families and friends. That will really support me and motivate me to make more and more artwork for you. So we are at the end of our session. I hope you would have enjoyed watching the making of this art and it would have inspired you to give a try, right? So give a try and give this as a gift to your loved ones and make them happy by giving your handmade gift. As this is a personalized artwork, I ensured that I give a personal touch and I tried her logo as well. It's really come out well and I'm so happy and just waiting for her to look at this and give me a feedback. I will pin her comment and also a link of her channel in the description. Please have a look and join her channel. Link of my other art tutorials is also there below down in the description. So have a look at that. Have a nice day. See you soon with a new artwork. Thank you. Bye bye.